Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn percent. So first question is 20 is how many percent of 80? So 80 is the 100%. So we will write 80 is equal to 100%, and we do not know how much is the 20. So we will write 20 is equal to question mark. We will multiply 20 by 100 and divide it by 80. So we will have 20 times 100 divided by 80. Now 20 times 4 is 80. So we can cross out 20 and 80 and write 4 at the 80. Now 25 times 4 is 100. So we can cross out 4 and write 25 at the 100. So this is 25%. In another way, you can write 20 out of 80. So this is 20 out of 80, and since we are dealing with percent, we need to find out the percent. We will multiply this ratio by 100. So this is 20 out of 80 by 100, and if you simplify, you will get 25%. So this is the another method. Now let us do one more question. Let us find 45 is how many percent of 150. So 45 out of 150. And since we need to find out how many percent it is, we will multiply this ratio by 100. Now we can cross out 10 from 150 and 10 from the 100. Now 15 times 3 is 45, so cross 15 and write 3 at the 45. So this is 3 times 10, which is 30%. Now let us do one more question. 12 is how many percent of 60? So this is 12 out of 60. So 12 over 60, and since we need to find out the percent, we will multiply this ratio by the number 100. Now we can cross out 10 from 60 and 10 from 100. Now 6 times 2 is 12. So cross out 6 and write 2 at 12. This is 2 times 10, which is 20%. Hope this will help you how to find the percentage.